teach you how to make your very own nature loom. And all you need is a cardboard box, a ruler, some string or twine, a Sharpie, or any kind of marker really, and some scissors. First thing you have to do is you have to take your scissors, and any side of this box will be perfect shape, and all you have to do is you have to cut one of the edges off, just like this. Step 2, you have to take it and you have to have your ruler and your marker ready for this part. What you have to do is you have to mark where your cuts are going to be on your loom, but it has to be on the back side because you don't want all those marks showing when your loom is all finished. Now you have to do the second side. Cut a little notch on each of your lines. Now you have to add your string so that you can actually put things on your loom. What we did last time is you put that like this through these little crannies, and then on the back you tie it. Probably do it not, just for like extra, or like. Hi, Myra. And then all you have to do now is you have to zigzag, but it'll only look zigzag down the back. And on the front, it will look straight. So you just keep doing that until all of it is finished. Okay. And then probably have to tie it to the back, because then it will be straight. Now you have the first part of your loom. The back looks like this. The back doesn't look as good as the front, but we're not going to use the back because, well, it's the back. Now it's time to head out into nature, and don't pick things that are growing because those are for other people to see. But there are plenty of fall treasures that are falling on the ground. You take your loom and you take anything you find, like a pine needle or even sticks. Like, you can just put basically anything on here. To it. This is totally up to you. You don't have to make it the same way as me. It's just this is how I want my loom to be, but of course I want you to do what you want to do. Let's go for the walk and see what we can add to this loom. Turned out, and I'm so excited to see how yours turns out. So tag us, and I hope this brings a little bit more magic into your day. Bye!